Mike Hughes here. I'm at Wheezle Diving Services Ltd. and I'm here with Paul. And Paul, you have a new undergarment to show us.
Yeah, this is the two-piece. This is in its expedition mode.
Okay.
This was developed in conjunction with Dr. Neil Pollock from Canada. Wanted a suit that would be able to do two uses. He was saying that anything that goes down to Antarctica has to have two uses. So the reason for this high visibility colour is for surface work, rescue teams, and of course people that are doing the tenders for ice diving. Mm-hmm. And then once you're actually in the dry suit, this particular one is our Extreme Plus material, which will be the equivalent of 600 gram thin sealant. And then in these sections
which
here,
keeps you very warm.
Oh yeah. Then you've got an extra panel here and then down the thigh. And so for extreme temperatures down to, you're diving in waters around freezing with decompression. So this is just going to give you that extra time.
I already have extra compression here for some reason, but I mean that makes sense, especially if
just having that extra there stops the water pressure pushing against you, especially if you're doing scooter work. So if you've been propelled through the water and you're getting high water pressure against this area here, then with the thin material it will actually push it down, the pressure against it. This one just gives you that little bit more. You don't have to have the high visibility colour though, you can have it in black.
Well, the high visibility is for Antarctica, where you want people to see you miles away in case of you need to be rescued. And we have the black one in case you go to the Arctic, so the polar bears don't see you miles away.
Like it.
Okay, so there you go. Using the black one over there, Arctic, Antarctic.
That one's the one-piece suit.
Okay, so, cool. And if they want more information, they're going to go to?
Yeah, just come to direct to Wheezle.
Okay.
Just WEEZLE.
Maybe they can see that here.
Yeah.
.co.uk.
Easiest thing, drop us an email.
Cool.
sales@wheezle.co.uk.
Or visit you in the Antarctic.
I haven't been yet.
Well, we can see you there.
It's on the list. Yeah, you'll certainly see me there.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.